Okay, whenever.
Ah!
Do it again.
Ah!
Okay, I missed your head. Do it again.
Ah!
Okay, I missed your head. Will you stand up the same way every time? Go.
Ah!
One more time.
You can't shake.
Do it again. Okay, you're not standing up to the same level every time, so I'm missing your face.
Sorry. Why don't you scoot back then?
Well, because I want it tight.
Okay.
Okay, let's try again.
Like how tall? Do you want me to go ahead and just stand up? Like that? And lock my knees?
If that's what you're gonna do.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so either use your hands and get them close to your face or don't use them at all.
Okay.
Okay, you didn't stand all the way up.
Okay.